Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious clear fish soup, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients and tools. You will need about 1 pound of fresh, firm white fish fillets, such as cod or snapper. Also, prepare your aromatics like a 2-inch piece of ginger, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 green onions. Don't forget essential seasonings like fish sauce, salt, and white pepper. Make sure you have a large pot and a fine mesh sieve ready. Now let's create that wonderfully clear broth. If using, gently simmer fish bones or heads with your prepared aromatics in about 6 cups of water for 20 minutes. This extracts maximum flavor. Remember to regularly skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This is crucial for achieving a crystal clear soup. Once simmered, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pot, discarding all solids. Your clear base is now ready. With your clear broth ready, it's time to add the star ingredient, the fish. Bring the broth to a gentle simmer. Avoid a vigorous boil to prevent the fish from breaking apart. Carefully add your fish fillets to the simmering broth. Cook them gently for just 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are opaque and flaky. Now, season your soup with about 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and a pinch of salt, adjusting to your preference. A dash of white pepper is also lovely. Finally, it's time to enjoy your beautifully crafted clear fish soup. Carefully ladle the hot soup into individual serving bowls. For a fresh burst of flavor and color, garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and thinly sliced green onions. If you like, a tiny drizzle of sesame oil can add a wonderful aromatic touch. Serve your delicious, comforting soup immediately while it's warm. Enjoy this simple yet elegant dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.